open. Hook it up to the air. This is a pressurized system. It's gonna send about 15 to 20 psi to the reservoir or the master cylinder. No more, no less. It's not recommended to go too much. And it's gonna pressurize the system, and then when you open the valves or the nipples from the calipers, it's gonna bleed all the fluids out. Let's check the car up in the air. Now you locate a caliper that's furthest from the reservoir. It's right here. Take the nipple cover out. There we go. Using a clear hose to guide the fluid down to minimize my mess. All you have to do is crack it loose, and you start seeing fluid coming out. Be sure to keep an eye on the reservoir. Good right there. Looks good right there. Just tighten it up. Yeah, there we go. Trying to minimize my mess here too. There we go. Don't forget the nipple. Next corner. Yeah. Crack it loose. That's good right there. Give it a little tight down. Yeah, not too tight. Grab a rag to minimize my mess. Yeah. Very good. Right, next corner, pop the nipple. This is the front passenger. The wrench right here. Hook it up. Crack it. Ooh. What the? Crack it loose. Alright, start bleeding. Very nice. That's about right there. Tighten it up. Yeah. Grab the rag to minimize mess. Very good. Alright. Cap it back up. Alright, last corner here. Took a little disaster. Don't worry about it.